What's up, everyone? It's Boy Stuck here back with a new video. And I told you in that iPad mini, at the end of the iPad mini video, if you didn't watch the iPad mini video, watch it. That's my favorite tech of the year so far. I don't know for the year, but it's been my favorite tech of the past month. And I mentioned in that video that I purchased a Duo 2 because excuse me. I purchased a Duo because I want to, I had a Duo before, back in summer before I even did YouTube. And I liked it, I thought it was pretty cool, but it did have some weird quirks, it had some weird software bugs, and things were just a little bit awkward. So, I sold it, then eventually I ended up picking up. Eventually I ended up picking up this right here, the Galaxy Fold, which, I like this phone too. You saw the review about it. I probably have some updated thoughts on the phone after using it for a while, but I still like it. I'm not supposed to leave on this. So what we got coming up now, as I told you at the end of the iPad mini video, we're gonna look at that Surface Duo and try and see, use it for a while. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here, but we're gonna use it for a while and see, did it change? Is it better to use now? And let's check it out. Spoiler alert, I kind of gave myself away a little bit when it says Duo 2, because I don't have the regular Duo, I have the new Duo 2 that I picked up. And pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it for a while, and I'm pretty much going to decide, do I keep the Duo 2, or do I keep this? And whichever I don't keep, I'm going to either take this back, or straight up sell this one. So, let's get into this experience. Let's get into this little bit kind of fun thing. I've seen reviews about this device already so far, and you know what? I gotta be honest, I don't agree with the reviews that's been coming out. You know why? Because a lot of the reviews that have been coming out, I feel like most people probably don't understand what this phone's for. And yes, some of the quirks and stuff are really, I get it. There's some weird stuff going on with the last one at least. But I really think that when it comes to this phone, I certainly think this is a certain type of user that most tech reviewers probably are not. So I said what I need to say. Let's rip open this pull tab right here, and bam, that's it. That's it. Can't take it back. No, I'm joking. You can take back phones once you open them up, but there is a restocking fee to it. All right. So, looks pretty nice. All right. I gotta figure out this light in my room because I know I'm probably being overexposed right now. Okay. So, this box is on pretty tight. Oh my. Oh. So this is the 120GB version. I did not opt for the 256 because it was honestly costing a lot of money. So I was like, and even on this phone, I use max 40GB, 60 maybe. So I don't need 256. And you got like a lot of different stuff. You got OneDrive, you got a bunch of different cloud storages now these days. So you don't really need all that space for the most particular type of consumers. Alright, so in the package we got the phone right here, the device. First thing first, it does have a weight to it. Way heavier than the original version. I'm thinking it might be because the new camera in the back. Interesting stuff. Also involved, you got paperwork. Don't need to open that up. And you have your USB, I believe, C to C cable right here. You do not get a charging brick with this device. I don't even know what phone comes with a charging brick these days, like what flagship device comes with a charging brick. So don't expect that for a while, quite honestly. Alright. It is what it is. I have a lot of stuff laying around, and honestly, I've been using my MacBook Air charger for all my devices lately. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I do it anyway. I don't know if it's killing the battery on some devices, but hey, you know what it is, man. Alright. So right here we have the device to the camera in the back. The first one did not have a camera, and the first one did not come in this beautiful black obsidian color. I don't have a screen protector. I should pick one up, but I forgot. Oh well. Alright. Right here, hands, the new Surface Duo 2. This thing is so freaking thin, yo. This is so thin. So here it is closed. That's a really nice black. In the back, different. This is still heavier. It's two different devices. First of all, I won't get out the way too, but it's still makes sense, man. All right. Ooh, almost dropped it. All right, so put this aside. I'm gonna play with this for a little bit on the side, set up. But in the meantime, thanks for watching this unboxing. We're gonna get back to you on my thoughts and my final decision between these two devices, even the iPad Air. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Peace out, y'all.